Hi everyone, welcome to the Tcl tutorial for EDA. Most Tcl tutorials explain language usage in examples that don't really reflect how Tcl is used in the VLSI design. But this series is different. We are learning Tcl the way it's actually used. Inside real EDA tools with hands-on step-by-step practices. You follow along directly inside interactive shell, just like you do in synthesis APR or STA tools. First, let's kick off our journey by starting the Tcl shell in your EDA tool. If you're working inside a company network, just launch your EDA tool, like a synthesis or place and route tool. You usually open up its built-in Tcl shell automatically. If you're outside the environment, no worries. Just open your browser and visit the TclPy shell playground. It gives you a ready-to-use shell that's designed for EDA usage. The first time it loads, it might take about 30 seconds. Just give it a moment. And one more thing, don't try the official Tcl shell. The official Tcl shell that comes with your Linux doesn't support many features that EDA tools provide. Next, we'll explore how to discover commands using the tab key. Try typing the letter P in the Tcl shell and hit the tab key once or twice. You see a list of available commands that start with P. This autocomplete feature is super helpful when you're exploring commands or can't remember the exact name. Let's use one of them, puts. To print a message. Now let's actually print something on the screen. Let's type puts hello Tcl. Make sure there is no space before or after the comma. You should see the message hello Tcl printed on the screen. Congrats, you just run your first Tcl command. But what happens if we change it? Now let's try modifying it. Type this instead. Puts hello space Tcl. That gives you an error. Cannot find channel name hello. Let's try something else. Just type puts and press enter. There's another error. Wrong args should be puts no new line channel ID string. Let's quickly break it down. Puts is the command name. Dash no new line is an optional switch. Channel ID is also optional. String is the required part. That's what you want to print. So get back to the earlier error. When you type puts hello space Tcl, the shell thought hello was the channel name, which doesn't exist, and Tcl was the string. That's why it failed. So how to do it right? To include a space in your text, you just need to wrap the whole string in quotes or braces, like puts quote unquote hello Tcl, or puts brace and brace hello Tcl. It works perfectly. Now it prints the full message with the space included. Finally, let's exit the Tcl shell. When you're done, you can exit the shell in a few easy ways. Just type exit or type quit, or just press Ctrl and C a couple of times, or just hit Ctrl and D. Any of those will do the trick. Before we wrap up, you might be wondering, why is it called puts instead of print? Well, puts stands for put string. By default, it writes to the standard out channel. That's your screen. Just type puts stdl hello. You can see the text on your screen. But you can also point it to a file handle to write the files, and its counterpart can read from standard input. That's it for the first episode of Tcl tutorial for EDA. Next time, we'll dive into variables together with return values and side effect of a command. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.